All right, hello. I just wanted to take a quick moment to walk you through how to contribute and submit to a wiki. For a lot of students, this might be the first time that they've done a wiki in Blackboard, and so I recognize and understand that it can be a little bit tricky right out of the gate, so I just wanted to spend a moment to show you how to do that. So over here on the left, we'll go ahead and find that wiki assignment, and once we get to it, there's a couple ways. We can either open it from here, or we can click to launch it here. My preference is to just go up top because it does create a new tab, which I appreciate. So I put a little disclaimer here, but I also just want to make sure that I reiterate. So I feel like there's kind of a natural inclination to click right here where it says create wiki page, but that is not what you want to do. You actually want to click right here where it says edit wiki content, and within that wiki content, and you can actually see what's happened here, is somebody has actually clicked the create wiki page, which messes with the entire intent of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to the bottom of here. I'm going to put that table back in here because that's really what we should be working from for this. And then what I want you to do is I want you to come in here and I want you to actually click, hang on just a sec here, click on edit. And then you're going to go ahead and scroll down past what these other students have done, and you're going to enter your information in this table below. So your table is going to include your name, and the content related to that information. So Peaceful Belly Farms was the farm that I found. I included the website, where they're located. So you're going to fill in this table. So it should become basically like a running list of different, in this instance, different farms that you could visit, local farms that you could support, CSAs that you might participate if you want to buy vegetables, those sorts of things. After you've entered that information, you'll just click submit, and then that will save the wiki so that the next person can then come through and input their information. So remember, do not click create wiki page. You are going to click right here where it says edit wiki content. You're going to go to the table that's included in that wiki, and you're going to go to the next row within that table and enter your information and hit submit. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, that is how you contribute to a wiki.